fruit salad. And these are our ingredients. Here we have egg yolk, egg white sliced. Here we have sweet corn and kidney beans. Here we have spring onions, cucumber and carrots. Here we have our mayonnaise. Here we have our egg yolk. Here we have our white onions powder, white pepper and our chill pepper. Here we have our milk, and here we have our sugar. Let's go there. So you have to match your egg yolk, match it very well. Then add your mayonnaise inside the egg yolk. What we are preparing now is the cream that we use to dress the fruit salad.
No vegetables. No vegetables.
Vegetable salad. So here we add our sugar, just small sugar. Our milk will go inside. Then we mix. Next in our list is our onion powder, just a little bit. Next in our list is our white pepper. Our white pepper. And we put our chili pepper, just little little.
Mommy.
And give it a very good mix. So our cream for the vegetable salad is ready. We set it aside. Our bowl, we add our cucumber, we add our carrots. We add our egg. We add our sweet corn and kidney beans. I have cooked it already. Then we add our dressing cream. Mix it. Mix. Then top it up with spring onions. So our vegetable salad is ready, not your usual. Try this and you will see the difference. Cover it, put it in the fridge. By tomorrow it will be served. Bye.